Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're looking at finding hope when every single door feels completely slammed shut.
Have you ever felt totally trapped, like literally every door in your life just suddenly slammed shut?
You pray and wait for that breakthrough, but the answer just never seems to show up.
Take David, for example. He's a 42-year-old dad in Texas who had a really stable, loving, peaceful life. Then, bam! His company closed, savings vanished, the fridge emptied out, and yeah, even his truck broke down. His little girl asked, "Daddy, are we going to be okay?" He smiled, but later, he just cried alone. He kept applying trust in God every single day, but reality hit back with constant rejections and total silence.
Exhausted, on the side of the road, his faith shattered. He finally admitted to a friend, "I'm not okay."
His friend Michael told him, "Sometimes a closed door just means God's prepping a way better one." Sunday at church, the pastor said the exact same thing. It hit David like lightning and shifted everything.
Soon after, David took a low-paying construction gig. Definitely not his dream job, but hey, it was an opportunity.
He realized small opportunities can totally open big doors. He showed up early, worked hard, and never complained.
Well, a visiting customer noticed David's insane work ethic and amazing attitude and just handed him a business card.
Boom. A week later, he was hired. Double the salary, way better benefits, and actual growth opportunities.
Sitting in his car, David just wept tears of pure gratitude. God had absolutely made a way.
But the true miracle? It was his stronger faith. He met the right people, and every delay had purpose.
So, are you tired of waiting? Maybe you feel exactly like David today, wondering if you've been totally forgotten.
Listen to me. You haven't been forgotten. God is still working behind the scenes for you right now.
Your breakthrough? It's close. You could be literally one opportunity, one prayer, or just one single day away.
A year later, David's family is secure. They end every single prayer thanking God for making a way.
If you believe a way is being made for you right this very second, type Amen in the comments.
What if your current chapter is just setting up your greatest breakthrough? Will you totally trust the process?